Hi y'all, I'm just going to run through a quick example of working with the distributive property and kind of discuss a little bit more about what these different pieces mean. So we're looking at an expression that we would read as 4 times 2x plus 3. What this means is that we have 4 groups. So this first number outside, we can call this our multiplier. And it tells us how many groups we have. How many groups. And then we have 4 groups of 2x plus 3. And so what's inside of here tells us what is being multiplied / what is in each group. So I'm going to show a visual of what this actually means. So if I have 4 groups of 2x plus 3, we could imagine that this would be 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x, right? There are 4 groups of 2x, and then plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. There are 4 groups of 3. And we know that from combining like terms, that if we have 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x, that's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 8 total x's. And then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So all of that, since it's a positive 12, would say plus 12. And that is as simplified as we can get this, because 8x and positive 12 are not like terms. We cannot combine them. So that is one way to think of 4 times 2x plus 3. Another way we can think of it is this is 4 times 2x and then 4 times 3. So here I'll do a little squiggle. So we can also think of this as 4 times 2x plus 4 times 3. And then we can do that multiplication. If I have 2x's 4 times, that all breaks down to 8x plus 4 times 3, which is 12. So again, there's our final answer of 8x plus 12.